and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the significance of obtaining a nursing degree in 2024, especially for our WASSCE graduates. Let's explore why nursing is an excellent career choice for the coming year. The demand for proficient, empathetic, and committed healthcare practitioners is at an all-time high. For WASSCE graduates, pursuing a nursing degree offers a path to a fulfilling and secure profession. As we step into 2024, the healthcare industry is undergoing unprecedented changes. The global demand for skilled and compassionate nurses is soaring. The World Health Organization, WHO, forecasts a shortage of 9 million nurses by 2030, underscoring the urgent need for more nursing professionals. A nursing degree in 2024 positions graduates to meet this critical demand. The high demand for nurses translates into unmatched job security and diverse career opportunities. Hospitals, clinics, schools, and even corporate settings seek qualified nurses. From traditional healthcare settings to innovative fields like nursing informatics and genetic nursing, the possibilities are endless. Nursing isn't just about patient care, it's about embracing technological advancements. Nurses are at the forefront of implementing healthcare technologies. Telemedicine, electronic health records, and AI-driven diagnostics are reshaping patient care, offering exciting career paths for nursing graduates. Competitive salaries and attractive benefits make nursing a financially rewarding profession. Compared to other professions, nursing consistently offers competitive pay scales, job stability, and opportunities for advancement. Nursing opens doors to diverse specializations and career paths. Whether it's pediatric nursing, emergency care, or nurse leadership, there's a niche for every passion. Continuous professional development and advanced education options further enhance career growth and expertise. Beyond financial rewards, whether it's pediatric nursing, emergency care, or nurse leadership, there's a niche for every passion. Continuous professional development and advanced education options further enhance career growth and expertise. Beyond financial rewards, nursing offers profound personal fulfillment and societal impact. Nurses touch lives, transform communities, and contribute to public health initiatives. In conclusion, for our WASSCE graduates, pursuing a nursing degree in 2024 is not just a career choice, it's a pathway to a purposeful and impactful profession. If you're considering your future path, consider nursing, a profession that offers endless opportunities to grow, thrive, and make a difference. Stay tuned for more insights and resources on nursing education. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring and pursuing your dreams in healthcare.